Windows 10 support is ending, and this 13-year-old HP Compaq Presario CQ43 can't officially run Windows 11, so instead replacing it, I'm installing ChromeOS Flex to see if it can bring this old laptop back to life. Let's do it. Today's test machine is HP Compaq Presario CQ43 with Intel Core i3 3rd generation processor and a 6GB of RAM, and I've upgraded the original hard drive to an 256GB SATA SSD. The goal is simple: give this old laptop a second life using Google's free ChromeOS Flex. First, you just head to Google Chrome. Now you just search for Chromebook recovery utility and then head over to Chrome Web Store. Then just click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. Now when it's added, it will show a pop-up over here. Now here on the top, click on the extension and then just click on Chromebook recovery utility and then just close your browser. Now here you will need at least 8 gigs of USB pen drive. Just plug the USB into your laptop and then click on Get Started. Now here, click on Select a model from the list. Now click on Select a manufacturer and select ChromeOS Flex. Again, click on Select a product. Select ChromeOS Flex. Click on Continue. Now here, click on Select and select a pen drive. Click on Continue. Then click on Create Now. Before clicking on Create Now, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in this process you're gonna lose every data on your pen drive. Now click on Create Now. Now the download process has been started. You're gonna wait here 15 to 30 minutes to complete the whole process. Now when it's completed, it will show success. Your recovery media is ready. You just click on Done, and what you're gonna do is restart your computer and boot your computer from USB pen drive. Now from the boot menu, choose your pen drive and hit Enter. And within a few moments, ChromeOS Flex will start. Before installing, you can try live mode to make sure everything works fine. If everything looks good, restart your computer and boot it from your USB pen drive again. And now click on ChromeOS Flex. Remember, this will erase everything on your SSD, so back up your files first. The installation only takes a few minutes. After reboot, connect your Wi-Fi, sign in with Google account, and complete the setup. Within minutes, it will look at a clean, modern operating system with automatic updates and built-in security. Right away, the laptop feels much more responsive, Apple went quickly, and navigating interface is smooth. The SSD definitely helps, but ChromeOS Flex is also much lighter than Windows. If your Windows laptop can't officially upgrade to Windows 11, ChromeOS Flex is definitely worth trying. It's free, easy to install, and perfect for web browsing, YouTube, emails, online classes, and everyday work. Subscribe to Sudama, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.